Students, today I am explaining the properties of whole number under multiplication. Okay, these properties same as previous, so you will write on your fair notebook. Firstly, property. Okay, after that example. Okay, then commutative property. Similarly, existence of multiplication identity, associative property, distributive property of multiplication over addition, and under subtraction. Both are same. These properties are very important. Okay, so I am explaining one property. So a multiply b bracket b minus c. So distributive means distribute. We distribute a. So a multiply with b, then a multiply with c. In between there is minus. Okay, in above property, so in between there is a plus. Okay, only this is a difference. Okay, look an example. Determine each of following product by suitable rearrangement. So why we are doing rearrangement? Because multiplication is easy. So 4 multiply with 250 is 1000. Okay, 1000 multiply with 3995. Okay, so it is very easy to multiply. Okay, similarly, look in exercise. Firstly, look third question. It is also same, suitable rearrangement. Okay, so we multiply 25 with 4. Firstly, okay, look in solution. So 25 4s are 100. So 837, same like that. Okay, when we multiply, so it is 83,700. Look in sixth part. So 20 multiply 625 multiply 8 multiply 50. Okay, so we rearrange 20 multiply with 50. Okay, then 625 with 8. Okay, so it is 5000. 20 multiply 550 is 1000. So 5 backside 6 zeros. Okay, other parts do yourself. Okay, now look in the first and second question. Do at your fair notebook bete. Okay, but don't write the only answers. Okay, you write 392 multiply 0 equal to 0. Okay, write fully. Okay, next is also when we multiply with 1. Okay, then it is 5697. Okay, in third it is commutative property. A multiply b equal to b multiply a. So in fill up there is 693. So all are very easy. You can do yourself. Okay, so look seventh part. Okay, this is based upon distributive property. Okay, so look carefully. In both we take common 47. So if we take 47 common, so inside is 39 plus 83. Yes, here is 83. Okay, so second is state the property used in each case. So you will write the properties. So you write the properties firstly in your fair notebook. Okay, so this property, first property is when we multiply with 0 is answer is 0. So this property name is multiplicative property of 0. Second is commutative property, same. Okay, fourth property when we multiply with 1, so same answer is coming. That property is identity property. Okay, so you will write all the properties bete. So third part we have done. Look at the fourth question. Find the value of each of following using various property. So in this question it only distributive property use. Okay, not various. Okay, so look at the question, second part. 8765 multiply 999 plus 8 8,765. So if you take common 8,765, so inside is 999, but here no digit is there. So where there is no digit, here is a 1 only. Okay, so you know that the 999 plus 1 is 1000, so very easy to multiply. Okay, so back side is 30. So which property it is? Distributive property. Look one more part. Look carefully here. 683 is common in all. Okay, so you take common. So inside is 36 plus 17 minus 48 minus 5. Okay, so 36 plus 17 is 53. 48 and 5 minus plus 53. So 53 minus 53 is 0. When we multiply with 0, answer is 0. Okay, easy question. Second is also same. Fifth sum, other part do yourself. Okay, so use distributive property and find the value. So in this question you break one digit, which is easy to multiply. Okay, so 103, when you break it, okay, it is 100 plus 3. Okay, so 932 multiply with 100 is 93,200. 932 multiply with 3 is 2,796. So very easy to add. Okay, so in next question you break 999. Okay, you can write this one is 1000 minus 1. Okay, so here which property use? Distributive property. So A multiply B minus C. Where is, what is A? 7385. B is 1000. C is 1. Okay, so put in this formula. Okay, so firstly A multiply B, then A multiply C. Okay, so when we multiply with the 1000, this is coming. When we multiply with 1, 7,385, then subtract it. Okay, yes, in sixth question find the product of greatest number of 5 digit. So greatest 5 digit is 5 times 9. Okay, then smallest number of 4 digit, so it is 1000. Okay, so multiply it. Look in solution also. So greatest 5 digit is 5 times 9. Okay, smallest 4 digit 1000. So answer is back side is 30. Very easy. So next is also very easy. Okay, do yourself. Look in 8th question. So a bus moves a uniform speed of 78 km per hour. So its speed is given. How much distance? So distance we find out. Okay, will it cover in 98 hours? So time is given. So you know that the distance formula. So distance is speed multiply time. Speed is given, time is given. So speed is 78, time is 98. Okay, so 98 you can write 100 minus 2. Same as distribution question, 4th, 5th question. Okay, so we break 98, 100 minus 2. You can multiply easily also, 78, 98. Okay, so it is 7,644 kilometer. Okay, so look at the 9th question. In 9th question, a dealer purchased 225 piece tablets. If cost of each tablet is 19,999. Okay, so find the cost of all means 225. So here is multiplication, because cost of each tablet is given, we find out cost of 225 pieces tablets. Okay, so look at solution also. So in this question look in 9th answer. A dealer purchased 225 pieces tablets. Cost of each tablet is 19,999 rupees. Cost of 225 tablets, multiply it. Okay, so you can apply here also distributive property. So it can be written as 20,000 minus 1. Okay, then apply distribution property. So 225 multiply with 20,000, then 225 ones are 225, so subtract it. Okay, so you can subtract easily. Okay, so other questions are very much same. Okay, 10th and 11th both are same. Look, 10th question, I am giving hint. A drum of oil has a capacity 725 liter. Find the quantity of oil in 999 such drums. So it is multiplication. A drum capacity is given. We find out the capacity of 999 drums. Okay, easy na? So look in 11th question. In school there are 12 classes. In each class 28 boys, 22 girls. Find the number of students enrolled in the class. Okay, so you know that key number of students are, look in solution, number of boys plus number of girls, so it is 50. Okay, in each class number of students are 50. In 12 classes number of students are multiplied, so 12 multiply 50 is 600. Okay, 12th and 13th question are very much same as 11th question. Okay, so look in 14th question. Okay, so 14th question, a car consume 40 liter for petrol is going from town A to B, and another 50 liter of petrol is going from B to C. Okay, so total petrol is consumed 40 plus 50, 90. If petrol cost is 75 per liter, okay, find the total amount of spend on petrol, so multiply it. Look in solution. So total petrol is 90 liter. Petrol cost for 1 liter is 75. Petrol cost for 90 liter is multiply it, 6750. Okay, in 15th question, a playground is 224 meter long, 126 meter wide. How much distance will Vijay cover in going 5 times around it? So around it, so a boundary is used. So this is a rectangle. So when boundary is used, we find out perimeter. Okay, so perimeter is 2 into L plus B. So L is 224 and breadth is 126. So perimeter is 700. Okay, so distance covered by Vijay is 5 rounds na. So 700 multiply 5 is 3500 meter. Hope you are doing well. Okay, so practice also it other questions. Bye bye.